Hi, this is Amanda from A-Star Photography and Create Meow, sharing a quick tip on how to get great skies in Camera and Photoshop. This tip is how to use Photoshop's sky replacement tool to replace a boring grayed out sky on a day that was rainy with a great sky. So you go to Edit and Sky Replacement. And it comes with all these standard skies that you can use, but you don't want to use the same sky as everybody else. So you can create your own custom skies by shooting the sky on days, where there's spectacular skies. Or I do have a collection of stock photos of clouds if you're interested. So to add one, you can click on the plus, and here's the ones that are in my collection, or you can shoot your own. And you just pick one that you like, and then you hit open, and you have different options. You can shift the edge. See, this will show a little bit more of the how the sky was before, and this takes a little bit more away. It's whether you cut in a little tighter or depends on the background as to what works best for you. You can fade the edge. You can adjust the sky brightness. So it can be darker, more moody, or it could be brighter. You can adjust the temperature if you want it cooler or warmer. And you can adjust the scale. So this will kind of zoom in or zoom out. So that's too far. This kind of adjusts where the clouds are. Maybe back up a little bit. You can also flip it. So that flips the clouds from left to right. You can adjust the foreground too, if you wanted it to be darker or lighter, or warmer or cooler. And then you have different output. I like to output to a new layers. Then you can hit OK. When you do it to new layers, you get this option. So you can actually, it made everything as adjustment layers and layer mask. So you can keep fine tuning it if you like. So you could click on the sky brightness and you can still keep adjusting it here if you wanted it darker or lighter. Also adjust the contrast, less or more. And then you can adjust the sky temperature more. And then it does also have the layer mask. If it didn't perfectly cut out a piece, you can use your paintbrush tool with black and white to hide and reveal if you wanted to go in and fix a tiny detail in, one of the branches. If you want to get this little tiny spot, you can use black to hide. You can make your bracket keys a little bit smaller. And then white to reveal. But then you can hide this whole folder collection. See, that was before and that's after. So that made a huge difference in just getting a better sky, because some days, the weather's not the best. So you just have to do the best you can, but at least you can fix it in Photoshop.